The only tool you'll need to get to the anvil is a number 4 hex bit. So I've got one set right now in my driver, and there's just 4 socket head cap screws that hold the cover on where the anvil and the hammer are located. So we're going to take these out right now. I've already got some of them loosened up. Once the screws are out, you simply remove the cover, and you've got the anvil and the hammer mechanism underneath. Usually this should be full of grease. These metal components impact each other many times per second, and grease helps protect them against wear. However, over time, even with grease, there will be some wear on the anvil and the hammer mechanism. So as you can see, the anvil slides right out, and if we look at it, there are some ridges on one side of it. Those ridges impact with the hammer mechanism and create the impact function of the gun. So once we look at our anvil and we've decided we want to replace it, we just take it out and we drop a new one in. Once again, it's important to grease this area of the tool, and I recommend our Kimball Midwest Motive Power Red Grease or our UltraGuard Extreme Grease. Those are both good choices for this type of application. So once everything is all greased up, you simply take the cover, put it right back on the way it was, reinstall your socketed cap screws, and you've got a fresh anvil and you're ready to go.